It's taco time, and I'm not talking about the fast food restaurant, I'm talking about the Toyota Tacoma. And this is a little bit of a blast from the past. This is a version of the Tacoma that today in 2025, you can't buy anymore. Toyota does not make a regular cab Toyota Tacoma, at least in North America, with a manual transmission. So cool, so simple. Back in the day, this is pretty much, back in 2009, this is pretty much one of the most affordable pickup trucks you could buy. I think the MSRP was maybe $20,000 when it was brand new, which is great for consumers, but not so great for the manufacturers. These don't make money. Selling $40,000, $50,000 TRD Pro Tacomas, those make the money for Toyota. So unfortunately, these were discontinued. You still can get Tacomas, but nothing like this old school variant. And this is a car that's very close to my heart. This is a part of my childhood. My stepdad, since the 80s, he's only had regular cab, two-wheel drive, manual transmission Tacomas. He's up to like 5 or 6 of them. He's in the trades and he absolutely loves these things. They're reliable, they're fuel efficient, they're simple. Cars have become so complex in 2025. They have all these sensors and backup cameras and all these computer things. We see so many recalls. Toyota is even struggling with recalls. Right now on the Tundra, they have a recall for like the rear tail reverse lights not going on. And since Toyota relies on a different company to make those components, it's taking a long time to get that repaired. This is a car that engineers absolutely love. There's a saying, stupid people like complexity. The best part is no part. And this is a vehicle that is very simple. Roll-up windows, manual gearbox, no hybrid systems, no turbocharging, no forced induction like we see in some of the newer Tacomas. We have this old school, dead reliable 2.7 liter 4-cylinder, pumps out about 160 horsepower, 180 pound-feet of torque. Plenty of power for a vehicle this size. And look at the engine. There's so much space in here. It's easy to work on. You could work on this yourself, if you wanted to, at least, for more simpler repairs. You look at the engine compartments of newer vehicles, there's so many pipes and hoses and hybrid systems and hybrid assist and turbochargers or superchargers. It's just too complicated. It's almost like you need to be a doctor. You need to be a surgeon to work on some of these newer cars. This is kind of like a throwback to vehicles of decades past, which were simpler. Cars in the 60s and 70s, anybody could work on. Any repair shop on the side of the road in Podunk, wherever, the mechanic would be able to get the parts and be able to repair it. But yes, a cool product, throwback to the old days of cool Tacomas. This one has about 94,000 miles on it, great condition inside and out, manual gearbox, very nice shape. We don't see too many of these, and I don't think this one will hang around long. When my stepdad was looking for another one, I had to go all the way down to Central Oregon with them because that's the only one I could find. There's not a lot of these like this. Great pickup truck, low ownership costs, will last a very long time, great resale value. You can't go wrong with a simple little Tacoma like this. Unfortunately, Toyota doesn't make them anymore. I'm Joe from Scarff Ford. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. Thanks so much for watching.